Hi guys, NCWQ here, and today is 11/25/2019, and I was looking at EMSC and I noted that there were 2 earthquakes for the Dead Sea region. So we're going to go look at these. One of them was 9 hours and 41 minutes ago, and the other one was 9 hours and 31 minutes ago. So we're going to go look. This one is a 3.7, and it was 12 kilometers deep. So we're going to put this into our Google Earth over here. And we're going to go look at this area. Now we can see that's Israel there, that's Jordan there, and this is the Dead Sea. So this was where the first one hit. And we'll take a look at the area here. So there is some views over here, and then there's a view over there. So we'll go, I guess we'll go here. We'll see what this area has. So this is the Dead Sea. You can see people out here. So now we're going to go look up the location of the other earthquake. And this one was a 3.8. This one was also 12 kilometers deep. And this one was in the same area. So I'm going to look over here at this area. We're going to go check this out over here. We're going to look at the Dead Sea a little bit more. And that is beautiful. Anyways, you guys, I just thought I would do a real quick update. I hope y'all are doing well wherever you are in the world, day or night. Much love.